Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have prerequisites ready: Visual Studio with the ASB, NET workload and the matching, Net SDK. First, open the solution or folder. Visual Studio reads project files automatically. Next, right-click the project in Solution Explorer and choose Set as Startup Project, so IIS Express or Kestrel will launch it. Once done, check Properties to confirm target framework and launch profiles. This avoids mismatches later. Make sure Package Restore completes and build succeeds before moving to debugging. You'll now configure how the app runs. Pick the launch profile in the toolbar, IIS Express for integrated hosting or project to run Kestrel. Inspect launch settings. JSON to confirm ports, environment name, and SSL settings, adjust app settings. JSON if needed. Then build the solution to catch compile errors, fix any issues reported in error list. When the build is clean, press F5 to debug or Ctrl plus F5 to run without debugging. Visual Studio opens the browser on the configured URL, so you can verify endpoints. To finish, exercise core workflows and verify API routes or UI pages load correctly. If something fails, check the output and debug windows for startup exceptions and stack traces. They tell you why services failed. Make sure the configured port is free. Change it in launch settings. JSON or kill the conflicting process. If middleware or dependency injection errors appear, read the inner exception to locate misconfigured services. Lastly, attach to the running process for deeper inspection, or use browser dev tools to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.